This looks gorgeous already. Dancing golden flow on mysterious red base. Hello my creative friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. I have this idea in my head for what I want to try for my base today or for the flow, and I invite you to join me to experiment with me to explore a new base that I'm going to be using. So today I want to do something somewhat similar to these two paintings. So I want to create beautiful golden flow, and for the background, for the base, I want to use several shades of red and violet. So this is going to be the base, this is going to be the flow. Let's see how it works and let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the base. Here I have quite a few colors. So this one is red violet, this is transparent red medium, primary magenta, quinacridone scarlet, blue violet for some depth and some contrast. And this one I mixed myself some time ago. There's copper, so it's a little metallic color, but there's copper and a few different shades of red. Honestly, I can't even remember what exactly I mixed into it. So let's see how that works. I'm gonna just randomly add them and blow them out. Open. Wanted to show you the consistency. It's very fluid. And yeah, all of my colors today are mixed with water only. I will include colors, names, brands, links in the description. And by the way, it's interesting to see all these different shades of red on the same panel. If you don't know the difference between them, it's a perfect way to compare. So this quinacridone scarlet, it's much warmer red, whereas primary magenta, it's not technically red, but it's very close to red. It's a lot cooler, closer to violet, and red violet, of course, has a lot of violet hint in it. So let's add some of this transparent red. This looks like a very abstract painting of its own already, but I'm not stopping here. So this is copper with some red. And finally, I want to add some blue violet. I think that should be enough paint. Let's blow it out. This looks gorgeous already. You see all this lacing in cells, and it's almost monochrome color palette, but yet there is so much in it. I love it. I think the hardest, yet the most important part here is to not overwork your base, because the more I blow, the more colors overmix. And the more I get, instead of several beautiful shades of red, just one middle shade, and I don't want that. I'm touching up the sides with my finger, I'm not covering the sides, you can see them taped. And at the end, I'm gonna remove the tape after I resin this piece. So I don't need my paint to go all the way over the edge. And I'm trying to create as little drips as possible, of course. And let's create the flow. So I like this section a lot. I wanted to leave it untouched. I want to do this shape here. Okay, I'm gonna start with white and go from there. This is approximately the shape of my future flow. And by the way, I think all these colors will dry much darker and deeper so the white and gold will stand out even better. So I want this flow to be mainly gold, but I'm using some iridescent orange yellow and some copper so that my gold doesn't look too flat. Oh. Just a few drops here. I'm gonna blow this design out, but first I want to try swiping just a few portions of it. See what I'm gonna get with it. Okay, let's do it. That was only part one of the blowing. I wanted to get that paint moving with a blow dryer, but now I want to touch up all these with just mouth blowing to create a lot more beautiful and delicate details. So I think I want to keep this movement, but I want to have gold towards these corners and more contrasty red here. Gonna add some more gold here and some white in it, just all the same colors. It's not mysterious golden flow anymore, it's more like explosive golden flow. I think it's pretty cool and I want to see how this beauty dries and I will be back soon. Wow, this baby is on fire! So much energy and passion in this piece. And do you guys see a bird's head right here? So I think with such a flaming color choice for the background and the golden flow that's almost infinity shape, I think a perfect name for this painting is Rebirth of a Phoenix. With the phoenix going for its new cycle of life. I think it's really cool. What do you guys think? And honestly, I am crazy in love with how my base has dried. It dried with a lot more depth and contrast in it, and there are so many beautiful lacing, details, cells, just things to look at. And some sections even look like inks because there's so much transparency in them. And all that shine that you see, it's just from me adding this iridescent copper to my red. I didn't add anything to my resin, this is just from this copper. You know, I love using my iridescent colors, and this shine in the flow, this is the iridescent gold and iridescent orange yellow in these sections here. I also really love how this clean wood edge really sets off all the action and expression that's happening in the background. I think it works really awesome. Alright you guys, please let me know how you like this flaming, passionate outcome. As always, I will be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!